Welcome back. Now it's time to make or display these dynamic things that we have already in our portfolio. So we'll do the exact same thing that we did earlier. So first is we will grab the image from here via the thumbnail. So there we have it. Then we want to grab the permalink, that is this. And also in the actions also we want the permalink. And then we want the excerpt here. So go to the excerpt and fetch that and put it here. So there we go, the excerpt. And then we also need the title. So let's grab that. The title. Okay. So now we have the title as well. Okay. Now one very important thing that we have to do. So what we are doing here is on one page we are having two times WP query being executed, one for portfolio and another for the blog post. So how WordPress does is it tries to give us every post that it has, and then its permalink, its thumbnail, its title, and excerpt. But now, once this query has run for the portfolios, it is going to work fine with this. That's fine. But then again the query is going to run. So there will be chances that WordPress is going to mix things from this portfolios and posts. Hence, after this first loop has ended, we want to reset this whole thing so that WordPress will now do another WP query with a fresh reset form, which means it's going to fetch the data again for the new post type and it is going to show it. So this we have to do always after, if there are more than one WP query on a page, after every post query we should do this after every loop. So this is done. Let's go ahead and refresh and see how our page looks like. Perfect. So we have our portfolio now showing nicely. That's great. So now we managed to also show our portfolio dynamically. So let's say we have this extra text. If I want to edit in portfolio 2, I can go and edit this and maybe get rid of some text and save it, and it will automatically now reflect here. That's the advantage of using content management system like WordPress. Perfect. So now we see how we can create our own custom post type, which is here portfolio, and show it here on the front page. So this is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.